Are you asking yourself, when should I start building my dreams? Well, today must be your lucky day because I've got just the right answer for you. You should start building your dreams as soon as you finish building your dreams. What on earth does that mean? My name is Sheya Gbede, and I am the shortest distance between who you are and who you want to become. And in this edition of 100 Seconds with SA, I'll be talking to you about how to build your dreams. Imagine you're laying the bricks to a house and someone walked up to you and asked you, "What kind of house are you building?" And you answered them, "Well, I'm not quite sure yet." Two things are gonna happen. If you're lucky, they would ignore you and walk away. If not, you'll be locked up somewhere in a safe house. Why? You don't start building until you have finished building. You need to finish building it in your mind before you start building it with your hands. How does this relate to you? You have no business pursuing your dreams and visions for 2022 if you haven't finished building them in your mind. So sit down, finish 2022 in your mind, and then start building it. It's really that simple. Decide what you want in your mind, act as if you've already had it, and your 2022 is done. Till I come your way again with another edition of 100 Seconds with SA, remember there's greatness inside of you and the world is waiting for your manifestation. Bye for now.